Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss the topic criterion for similarity of triangles. So the first is triple A criterion. Okay. So suppose if we consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then these two triangles are said to be similar. So by using triple A criterion, that means if angle A equal to angle D, and if angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F, so then these two triangles are said to be similar. That means if angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F, then these two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Similar. Next, triple S criterion. Okay, triple S criterion. That means if we consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportion, then these two triangles are said to be similar. That means if AB by DE equal to BC by EF and AC by DF are equal, then these two triangles are said to be similar. That means if AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. So suppose if we consider the length of the side AB equal to 1, and here if we consider 2, 3, 6, 4, 8. So here AB by DE, that means this value is equal to 1 by 2. And similarly BC by EF, that means its value equal to 4 by 8. Similarly AC by DF, its value equal to 3 by 6. So if we cancel 3 1 the 3 2 the, and 4 1 the 4 2 the. So all the ratios are equal to 1 by 2. That means the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then these two triangles are said to be similar. That means triangle ABC is said to be similar to triangle DEF by triple S criterion. Next, SAS criterion. Okay, so if we consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and if any one of the corresponding angle is equal, suppose if we take a angle A equal to angle D, and the sides including these angles are in proportion, that means the sides including this angle, that is nothing but the side including this angle is AB and AC, and side including this angle is DE and DF. So these sides are proportional. So that means if AB by DE equal to AC by DF, then by triple S criterion this triangle ABC is said to be similar to triangle DEF. That means side angle side criterion. So again, next topic is here, if we consider perimeter of two similar triangles, so the ratio of perimeter of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of its sides. So look at this. See, here perimeter of triangle ABC is 3 plus 1 plus 4, that means 8. In perimeter of triangle DEF is 8 plus 2 plus 6, that means 16. Okay, so 8 by 16, that means 8 by 16 we get 8 1 ja 8 2 ja, we get 1 by 2. So it is equal to ratio of sides. So that means ratio of perimeter of two similar triangles is always equal to ratio of its sides. So let us discuss some problems related to this topic. So in the exercise 8.2, the first problem is given that in the given figure angle ADE equal to angle B, and show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. And also if AD value is given 3.8 and AE equal to 3.6, B equal to 2.1, so BC equal to 4.2, to find the value of DE. So given that is a given figure. In the given figure it is mentioned that given figure. So angle ADE equal to angle B has been given, and we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So first to prove. So if we consider, so in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, if we consider the whole triangle, so in triangle total ABC and triangle ADE, angle A equal to angle A. So that is the common angle in both the triangles. Okay. Again, next angle ADE equal to angle B has been given in the question. Angle ADE equal to angle B. So given. Okay. So therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by angle criterion. Angle similarity. So draw the both the triangles. So first triangle is triangle ABC and second triangle next. So angle corresponding angle is angle A, and next angle ADE corresponding angle to B is angle ADE, that is corresponding angle to B is we have to write D here. So angle AD and next term is D. So these are the two triangles. So in the second question, it is given that the value of AD equal to 3.8 and next AE value it is given that 3.6 and BE value. Okay, so BE value 2.1 and BC value it is given 4.2. So BE, okay, BE is 2.1 and BC it is given 4.2. So BC value we have at 4.2 centimeter. So find the value of DE. Okay, so okay, from the first step, from 1 we have obtained that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So but here AC by nothing but AC by AE equal to BC by DE equal similarly AB by AD. That means here AB value is AE plus BE. So AE value in the question is it is given that 3.6 plus BE value it is given that 2.1. That means its value is equal to 5.7. So AB value is equal to 5.7. Okay. So here triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC. That means AD by AB equal to DE by BC by SS similarity. Okay. So AD by AB equal to DE by BC. Okay. So AD value is 3.8 by AB value 5.7 equal to DE by 4.2. Okay. So one decimal gets cancelled. So 38 by 57. Again here divided 4.2 comes to the left side and gets multiplied with the left side term. Is 4.2 into equal to DE. So 38 by 57 into 4.2 can be written as 42 by 10 equal to DE. So if we cancel with the 3 tables, that means 3 ones are 3 fourths and 3 ones are 3 nines are. Okay. So 19 2s are 38. So 2 14s are 28 by 10 equal to DE. So 28 by 10, that means denominator consisting of 10, that means decimal before last one digit, that means 2.8. So DE equal to 2.8 centimeters. Yeah, okay. So let us discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is the perimeter of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. So if one of the side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters, so determine the corresponding side of the second triangle has been given. So if we consider two triangles, okay, so triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So given that perimeters of two similar triangles, that means triangle ABC and triangle DEF are said to be similar. Okay, so given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, so we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their perimeter is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, so here given that the perimeter of first triangle is 30 centimeters and the second triangle is 20 centimeters. Okay, and the one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters. That means if we consider AB to be 12 centimeters, that means AB value equal to 12 centimeters. Then we have to find the DE value. Okay, so we know that perimeter of triangle DEF by perimeter of triangle ABC equal to DE by AB. Okay, so ratio of perimeter of two similar triangles equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. So perimeter of triangle DEF has been given the 20 centimeters and perimeter of triangle ABC is 30 centimeters equal to DE by AB is 12 centimeters. So it cancels 0 0 it cancels. So 2 by 3. So again this 12 here divided 12 comes to the left side, gets multiplied with the right side term into 12 centimeters equal to dg. So 3 ones are 3 fours gets cancelled. 2 fours are 8, so 8 centimeters. So equal to 2 dg. So du value we have obtained 8 centimeters. So